Welcome back to the Flavor Fall Tour. This week, we're in North Jersey, home to some of the best Italian food in the United States. And we're bringing you to one of the most unique Italian markets the Garden State has to offer, right here in Hackensack, New Jersey. Martino's Italian Grocery, where Vincenzo Martino and his family have been chefing up Italian classics for years. You never know who you'll run into in Martino's, and today's no different. We're joined by the NFL Alumni, and this episode is powered by our friends at the All-American Auto Group. Don't be shy, Paisan. Everyone's family here. So grab a plate, and let's get into this episode of Flavor.
Folks, it's a Jersey royalty kind of day. We got NFL alumni, Mr. Bart Oates in the house. And Bart, we are here at the legendary Martinos.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us. What do we got here, Bart?
Well, I've got my good friend David Caldwell, who's with me, former player, and so Martinos is like one of my favorite places. It's unique. It's downtown Hackensack, right off Lodi Street. It's like going to home.
Pure
People
Jersey.
come and go, and it is Jersey. Come on in, I'll show you. Follow me in. Let's go. Check it out. Come on,
Oh,
David.
and we got the one we need right here. We're gonna do it right.
Look around. You've got the tables. Most restaurants, what do? You go sit at the table. That's not what you do at Martino's. Martino's, what you do, you don't sit at the table. You come back here. Everybody here is part of the family. So now you look at right, the salads there if you want. You got your pastas and your meats over here. Right? You come back to the kitchen. And this is where the family eats. I mean, you can eat out there, but if you want to be part of the family, you come back here. You're right here. You pick up your plate. You go, oh, wait a minute. If you wait to be served, you're not going to get served. Right?
That's a family style.
Family style. And so, literally, this is what you do.
The best seed.
Look at the ziti. Oh, look at this pasta. Is that awesome?
Fresh pasta. Bolognese.
And you make all the pasta here.
Yeah, everything I make.
Italiano too.
They make matriciana, my husband make everything. Mamma mia.
We just started here. Come on, follow me here.
Come on.
Sausage,
Charlie.
chicken parmigiana.
We got meatballs, we
Meatball.
got parmesan, we got sausage, we got pork, we got stuffed peppers, we got chicken, and we got some soup, some fagioli. I'm thinking I'm gonna have
I think you gotta go
I
heavy
don't
on
know.
proteins, what?
proteins. Okay, looks like I got some meatball, and I think I'm gonna have a little sausage too. Is that okay?
I already had the chicken parm. I want more chicken parm.
You can't get enough of
I
that
want more chicken
parm.
parm.
What's your favorite thing about the Northeast and the food in Jersey and New York?
You just mentioned it. It's the food. It's the food. There's no place has better food.
Martino's is the last of these great Italian restaurants where you sit in the back with all the people. It's a buffet. You meet everybody here. I've been coming here for 25 years, or maybe 20 years. You meet all the politicians, all of the sheriffs, all of the construction workers, all of the priests. You meet everybody here. The mafia, the cops, the construction workers. They're all here. And they all sit together and they talk.
All right, so fellas, here we are. Martino's, the legendary Martino's right here in Hackensack. Was this your first time here today? Second time?
Thanks to that man.
Bar Boyan. So a regular here.
I've been here numerous times here.
Is there a favorite item on the plate when you come here?
Yeah, food?
Any food?
I'm not even sure why I'm using a knife.
The peppers.
Nice, huh?
The peppers.
Typically it's just like that, right? Tomorrow, a little lasagna?
Tomorrow lasagna. Bella. Ay. You come tomorrow.
I'm tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be back for lasagna day, folks. But you bring the
Yeah.
family, you bring the friends. Anybody's gonna leave here Martino's with a big smile.
That's a family style.
Part of-
Everybody
part of the
come.
family.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right, guys, and now we're gonna show you how to make some real authentic Jersey Italian cannolis, courtesy All American Ford. Let's go. All right. The alumni taught us to be suited up for the job that you are doing,
Exactly.
and here we go.
We're gonna do it the best way we could possibly. So you grab a cannoli. This is the old traditional. We don't believe in bag, put them in the bag and filling them in. So here it goes.
Come on.
Beautiful. Then,
Look at
what
that.
we're gonna do, we're gonna get some powdered sugar, and here you could go and get it ready to eat. Manja. And I'm
Come
gonna
on.
eat yours.
Come on. We don't beat it.
Delicious.
I get Martino, baby. Don't
And
beat
they
it.
taste better with such a beautiful young man here. Look.
So this segment right here, special cheers to Papa Salvatore.
Yes, sir.
Now you just said no wine, no eat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell us what we got here.
The homemade Italian wine
Yes.
made by my father, Vincenzo Martino.
Wow. So, perhaps you want to pour that?
Salud.
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 Whoa!
He makes it good.
That's beautiful. That's a beauty right there.
Look at it. Theodore.
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 Vincenzo, Mama, thank you so much for having me.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for tuning in for this episode of Flavor from right here in Hackensack, New Jersey at Martino's Market. And thank you for having us.
Thank you.
And thank you
It's
for
a
joining
pleasure.
us.
It's a pleasure.
And a big thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
A big thanks to our friends at the NFL Alumni, and to check out how you could get involved in your community, visit NFLalumni.org.